What is up, guys? Oscar JZ here. I hope you're all having an amazing day today. Welcome to a brand new type of video in unboxing. So this is actually my first unboxing ever, and as you can tell by the title of the video, I am unboxing the brand new iPad mini 5th generation. Although it's not called iPad mini 5 or anything like that, the last iPad Apple made was the Apple iPad mini 4. And that one came out back in 2015, so that's about 4 years ago. And Apple hasn't updated the iPad until now, 4 years later. So let's get to the unboxing. So as you can see, this is the box here. It's pretty well known of all types of Apple products. As you can see on the front, there's a picture of the iPad, how thin it is. It gives you an indication of the color you got. But in this case, I got the gold. On the side, you can see it says iPad mini. On the top, it has an Apple logo, iPad mini again. At the bottom, Apple logo. On the back, it just tells you the type of iPad you got, the capacity, and what comes in the box. So as you can see, it says I got the iPad mini with Wi-Fi and cellular at 64 gigabytes of storage. Cool thing as Apple done now is that they have a new, I guess like a tab, a new, I don't know what to call this, but you can pull this and you can just pull it open. Struggle there to open the box. Get this plastic out of the way. And Apple does a great job in their unboxing that they have specific people that work on the unboxing experience, and they invest so much money in these boxes to make the experience so much better. Wow, there it is. It's so small. Well, compared to what I have right now, which is the iPad Pro, this is so small, but it's so easy to hold in one hand. So put that aside for a second. So in the box, you have your cable, your regular Lightning to USB cable. You also have some documents, in which the documents just says iPad mini, right? What it comes in the box, how to use it, documentations, and of course, I hope it has Apple stickers. Huh. Oh, well in this case, since I have the cellular model, it comes with a SIM card slot, so you can change it to any carrier and use it all around the world. So it works with internet service, even if you don't have Wi-Fi. Of course, you do have to pay for that monthly. There's your Apple stickers. Also in the box, you do get your charger adapter. So this is the first time Apple has included a 12-watt Apple adapter for the iPad mini. In the past, what they did is they included the same charger adapter that you have in your iPhone. So it's like the 5-watt, the small one. But this is the first time they included the bigger one, so that's pretty cool. I was actually very surprised to see that. There is the iPad. So I love the experience of taking the plastic. So of course, silence, please. I see a lot of people, they get so satisfied with taking out the plastic off the products. So this is the iPad mini. I did get the gold version. This is a new gold color. I really like it. I think it's pretty, it stands out. I'm gonna put this up, turn it on. So while it's booting up, this iPad has a 7.9-inch Retina display. You have a 7 megapixel HD camera in the front. It does have a home button, so it does have Touch ID. On the side, there's nothing on this side. On the back, you have your, I think it's 8 megapixel camera, antenna lines, the Apple logo. On the bottom, you do have your Lightning charger, your 2 speakers. On the right-hand side, you do have your volume up and down. At the top, you have your on and off button and your headphone jack. I know Apple doesn't have the headphone jacks on the iPhones anymore, but oh well, we gotta get used to it and get AirPods, right? After setting up the iPad, it's just like any Apple device we all know and love. I'm gonna set this up and I'll be right back. So the iPad is booting up, it's activating as of right now. I don't have any service on it, just Wi-Fi. So while we wait for it to activate, I did also get a smart cover for the iPad. So Apple sells these separately. You can actually get them on Amazon, or you can get them at the Apple Store, Best Buy, any retailer really. actually sell some as well on Amazon, so I'll leave a link down below in the description if you want to get one for yourself. Because Apple didn't change the design of the iPad, since the iPad mini 4 and the iPad mini 5 has the same design, all the cases from the iPad mini 4 will fit the iPad mini 5, so that's really good news. Apple really doesn't do that, but hopefully that they did that. So you have this tab here and you just open it up. So this is just a smart cover, so it doesn't cover the back. What it does essentially is it clips on magnetically on the side and it closes there. So you have it pretty much all protected on the screen. And I love the iPad mini because it's so easy to hold with one hand.
With a brand new iPad, it's so exciting to set this up, right? Super boring, but it's the usual stuff.
Cool, so now I'm in the iPad. As you can see, it has the same bright Retina display, same controls that we know from the iPhone. It's very bright, the screen. If you're one of those who love to read, perfect size for those, especially for college students as well, for those who are on the go a lot. If you're on the plane and you travel a lot as well, watch movies, your Netflix, if you have your earphones, connect your earphones, and your AirPods, you connect your AirPods. And because of the cover, it's really cool if you have a stand or you want to stand it in your desk. This makes it as a stand and you can watch movies. You can do it either way. So it really makes it easy to hold the iPad, and you can fold this in and kind of hold it like this, right? And so it kind of helps you hold the iPad without actually holding on to the iPad. When you close the smart cover, it does lock automatically for you, and then when you open it, it does unlock automatically for you as well. So yeah, so the iPad mini is one of the best tablets out there. The change is on the inside, which is the new processor, A12 processor. So it's very fast, very fluid. It does now also support the Apple Pencil. So if you are a college student, or you're an artist, or you're a drawer or something, and you want to draw on the go, or just draw in general, or if you're a business person and you want customers to sign for you, it does support the Apple Pencil, and you can definitely draw on it and write on it and do all the things that you need. If you're a college student, this is perfect. You can make notes. And just to compare the size, so I do have my personal iPad Pro. This is the 11-inch. As you can see, it is pretty small compared to the new iPad Pros. The iPad Pros does not have a home button anymore. It did remove that and added a Face ID, just like the iPhone 10. But this still keeps that old design that we all know and love, and it can be easy to hold with one hand. You go on the go, put it in a small backpack, small bag, or even in a bigger pocket. You can definitely hold the iPad for you. So if you want to grab one of these for yourself, I will leave a link in the description down below where you can get one for yourself. Like I said, I have the cellular model, but you can also get it in Wi-Fi. It does come in 3 colors. It comes in space gray, silver, and gold, like I have here. You can get in 2 capacities, 64 gigabyte or 256 gigabyte, and you can get it with Wi-Fi only or Wi-Fi and cellular, but again, you do have to get internet service to use the cellular options. If you like this video and the iPad mini, leave a like below. It always helps me out. Comment below if you're gonna get one for yourself. Also subscribe to the channel that we can never miss any of the future unboxings that I'll be doing in the future, and reviews of all types of tech that is out there that we're gonna just unbox and get them open. But don't forget to hit the notification bell, that way you'll never miss any unboxing that I will be giving out in the future. So thank you so much guys for watching again. I hope you guys have a blessed day and a blessed week. I'll see you on the next video.